Coffee Cozy up. So yeah, I'm gonna do weekly vlog. So I'm a little late on this vlog because the last 2 days I sleeping. That's all I can say. I've been sleeping a lot because I went back to the gym and I find that I get back to the gym, I sleep good, but I sleep long. So when I wake up, I'm like, oh, wait. Look at the time. And I did get some reading done the last 2 days, but not a lot. But the good thing is I started reviewing my draft. So I am editing and I am here. So good way. So I'm doing it this way on paper and making notes and corrections and all that I want to do, that when I finally go on the computer to start typing a second draft up, I'll have this already done and it'll be much quicker to get the second draft complete, because I'm giving myself March to finish the second draft. So I'm not going to be doing it like how I did the first draft, which was in 5 weeks. Not doing that. I'm stretching it out and I'm taking my time. I think I'm going to do 2 or 3 days of this. And I'm not doing every day. I'm going to do 3 days of working on the 3 days a week working on the second draft. And I've been writing in the journal, guys. So the journal that I bought, which is this right here. So this is the journal I bought, and I have been using it almost every day. It's the first time in a long time that I journal every day. So typically I journal maybe 2 or 3 times a week, but not every day. And I've been doing every day. And it helps because it gives me something to look back on, especially like when I want to write a blog post. I sometimes go back and look at some of the things that I jot down and thoughts of the day and how I felt or something that happened maybe. And I use that as inspiration to write. So, which is good because I was struggling when I just came back from vacation of writing something for my blog, and I was just like, I sat down, I'm like, I have nothing to write about. Nothing to write about. There's a lot of good things, but it's just nothing I want to share yet. So that was a struggle. So this journal has been helping a lot. So I'm happy about that. But as far as reading, yeah. I finished A Princess of Theory. I'm not gonna tell you how I feel yet. And I'm reading The Dupe by Default. And so far, so good. Definitely gonna finish with 3. And then I'm gonna go on to the novella that she has in the series before I do a full review of everything. But I am tempted right now, I have a lot of junk over here, to start Heavy. I'm just in the mood for it more. Like, I'm reading all these romance, but I want to read this. So I think I'm gonna pick this up probably tomorrow, Heavy, and see how I like it. But I'm gonna definitely pick up Heavy tomorrow. And yeah, that is it for now. And checking in probably tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna continue doing some editing. Yeah, bye. Hello. So guys, I woke up to, again, congested. I got better and now, oh my god, it's been so cold. Like, we're talking 20 degrees every day. And I'm all bundled up, but in and out of the heat and the cold, I think I got congested all over again. I'm not coughing, but my nose just feels stuffy. So anyway, I am still at it. From yesterday, still editing. And I find that the stories that I really connected to weren't that bad. Editing. I don't have to add that much, but there's like one particular story that I have a lot of work to do with that one. So, but I have a long way to go. I'm not even halfway yet. I'm getting there though, but so far I still love the stories. I still love them. They, none of them are trash to me yet. So that's a good thing. But I'm gonna continue again, do the notes and all that on the first draft before I actually get on the computer and start doing stuff. I do also want to do some other stuff today, but depends on how I feel, because right now I think I'm just gonna take a nap because I'm so stuffy, and take some stuff and relax, and then tonight get back to doing that. I'm so happy I'm off today, guys, because I feel so awful, but yeah, that's where I'm at right now with this editing process. Kind of boring, but not for me. But I mean, if you guys watching this, I don't know, this might be a little boring, but I'm enjoying rereading the stories. I really am, and still enjoying them. So that says a lot, and I'm happy. I'm still feeling positive and happy about the stories that I wrote. But yeah, but I'm gonna continue working later, and I'm gonna go take a snap and take something, some lemon honey something, because this weather sucks. How real spring? Is anybody like me that hate winter? Like, I despise winter. Like, no, I can do spring, I can do summer all day long. I could somewhat tolerate like the beginning of fall, but winter, I can't. I'm just counting down the days for spring. So anyway, yeah, that's it for now. So guys, I haven't recorded in about 2 days because, yeah, picked up some mess from somebody from work. There's a few of us that have the same symptom, which is sinus, headache, and then my ears, yeah, clogging. So I've been sleeping. So pretty much when I'm up, I am doing this. So I am still working on this, and I'm pretty far in. I'm almost, I would say about 75% in. So far, there's only one story that I know I need to do a major rewrite on. The others, just a few scenes I want to add, but nothing major, which I'm so happy about. But I still have 2 more that I need to read, so we'll see how those work out. So once I'm done, I'm gonna be on the computer and doing all the writing and the revisions that I need to do to get to for second draft. Reading. Alyssa Cole, this series is not grabbing me like I want to. I did finish the first one. The second one, Duke by Default. The characters are interesting, but it's not grabbing me like I wanted, like I was hoping it would. I kind of get why people enjoy it. It's very cookie, fairy tale. I don't even know how to explain it, how I feel about it yet. And I don't really want to talk about it yet because I'm only halfway in. So we'll see how it works out. Definitely going to finish it. But I want to pick something up. And I'm looking at all my unread books. And I'm like, I need that one book that's really going to grab me. Even though I do have a selection of books I want to read in February, I might have to pick one of them. I thought about reading heavy, but then, I started having the headaches because of the sinus issue. And I was like, let me put heavy down for right now. But other than that, I'm just going to right now relax. It's snowing. It's supposed to be about 8 inches of snow tonight. And then on top of that, some ice. So I'm not looking forward to tomorrow morning when I have to shovel my car out because it's going to be wet snow. And wet snow can do a number on your back. So I'm not happy about that. But I'm going to continue doing this tonight. And I'm going to end this here. I'm not sure what this is going to look like. This is one of those blogs, those vlogs that are not, it's all over the place. But this week just not eventful. It's just one of those weeks where it's winter and you're, you know, trying to make the best of it. So, how you guys doing? Like, I mean, I've seen a few people on Twitter, and it seemed like a lot of people have read a lot of books so far. I've only completed 2 books. This is turning out to be like a very slow. See all that noise? That is a plow truck outside plowing the road. So, I think I've been reading a lot of books so far, and I have not really been reading that much. It's not like I don't have the time, even though I'm doing this. Like I said, I'm only doing this a few times a week, so I have free time. But it's just I have yet to get that book that really grabbed me, that fiction book that, you know, grabbed me. So far, you know, Becoming was the book for me in the beginning of the year, but I need a good fiction, guys. I don't know. Recommend one. I need to like get back into wanting to read a really good book. Right now I'm just not there yet. And I don't know if it's Alyssa Cole that's making me not there yet. I'm not there yet. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'm gonna end this vlog here. I'm gonna get back to this. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Yeah, it's one of those guys. One of those days. One of those days. Bye. Oh man.